Well, hello everyone. Welcome to the MBA CPA program, and more specifically to my course, Integrative Managerial Accounting 6650. So I'm Daphne Rickson, and I'm your professor for this course. So the purpose of this video is to make sure that everybody is aware of what you need to do for the first class. So if you don't get everything I'm saying, don't worry. The PowerPoints accompany this in as well. Everything that I'll be saying on this video is also covered in your syllabus, which is on Brightspace. So it's important, of course, to be prepared for the first class because, for starters, the participation percentage for the course is 15%, so that's going to be allocated 5% per course, so you need to participate. That's one element, and of course you obviously need to have a good grasp of the course materials. So moving along then to our first slide that I'll just go over here. In your syllabus you have a list of articles that you should read for the first class and be prepared to discuss them. In some of the articles there may be a long section, say, on methodology. You don't have to worry so much about that part. It's the rest of the article that you need to focus on. The first case that we will be covering in class is the Dominion Insurance, and that's of course there on Brightspace. And with this case, what I want you to do is prepare individually before class, read the case and address the issues identified in the case. So you're required as assistant controller to identify and discuss 3 specific behavioral accounting issues that are highlighted in the description of the 2 departments, and then recommend a course of action for Dominion Insurance to deal with this. So when I say being prepared, you don't have to type up your answer and hand it in. It's not a hand-in assignment, but what I would suggest is make some notes, just rough notes, so that way you'll bring them to class and you will be prepared for class discussion. So again, not a hand-in assignment. So the next thing you need to do for the first day is the Husky Corporation case. And again, the idea here is to prepare individual draft solutions to the questions that are outlined in the case. It's not a hand-in assignment, but you definitely need to spend time reviewing the case and drafting up your response. And the next case, the third case we'll be covering in the first day, it's going to be a busy day, is B&B Bakery. And here is not so much to prepare the solution to the case, but more of an outline for what you would consider to be a good approach to the case. And in doing that, you can read the document CPA Way, which is also on Brightspace. So basically, come up with a draft outline for what you consider to be a good approach to solving the case, and then we'll go over this in class, so you'll come up with the general idea of what's expected from you from a CPA perspective. And the final thing you need to be aware of for the first class is that we'll be doing a brief introduction where you'll introduce yourself and who you're working for, your most current or recent employer. And then in addition to that, what I'd like you to do is prepare a couple of PowerPoint slides. Remember, of course, this whole introduction and the information on the PowerPoints is only supposed to be about 3 minutes per student. So on your PowerPoints, what I'd like you to do is state your organization's mission, vision, core values, and discuss one of the following. So discuss either how your organization uses the mission, vision, and core values to set its goals, or how your organization's mission, vision, and core values align to the performance of the activities in your own department. Or finally, a third choice is how your organization's mission, vision, and core values impact your organization's corporate culture and public image. So you only have to do one of those three. And of course, there may be some folks working in organizations where you don't actually have a stated mission, vision, and core values. So in that case, base your presentation on the mission and vision that's implied by the organization's activity. So if you had to develop a mission and vision, what would it be? So those are your options. Again, it's meant to be very brief, very high level. It's 3 minutes max, and it's just basically a way for everybody to get to know each other or each other's organizations. So as you move along in preparing for the first class, if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Email is definitely the best way, and my email is there, of course, on the course outline on Brightspace. And also, if you have any questions about the syllabus or something is unclear, not to worry. I will be spending some time in class going through the course syllabus and the expectations in much greater detail. So that's it for this very brief video, an introduction to what's expected for the first class, and I look forward to seeing you all in class. Thank you.